Have you ever swung your favorite baseball bat, only to hear a strange, disturbing rattle coming from inside? It can be a little unsettling, making you wonder if your trusted gear is about to fall apart. The rattling sound you hear inside an alloy or composite baseball bat is almost always caused by loose adhesive, broken composite fibers, or small pieces of internal material that have detached from the bat's inner wall. This noise is a clear indicator that your bat has experienced internal damage, signaling potential performance issues and, in some cases, safety concerns. In alloy bats, this often occurs when the adhesive that holds the end cap in place or secures the internal governors begins to fail. Small fragments can break off and tumble freely within the hollow barrel. For composite bats, the internal layers are bonded together with resin. Over time, and especially with repeated hard impacts, these composite fibers can delaminate or break, causing tiny pieces to become dislodged and create that distinct rattle. Extreme temperatures and improper storage can also accelerate this internal breakdown. If you hear rattling, the first thing to do is carefully inspect the bat for any visible dents, cracks, or end cap separation. You can also gently shake the bat, tilting it slowly to try and pinpoint the location of the loose material. Sometimes, if it is a very small piece, it might be possible to gently tap the bat to try and dislodge it and see if the rattling stops, though this is often a temporary fix. Most of the time, the sound means it is time to consider replacing your bat. While it might seem like a minor annoyance, a rattling bat is a sign of internal structural compromise. For composite bats, this internal damage can actually change the bat's performance characteristics, sometimes creating a temporary trampoline effect before eventually breaking down further. Manufacturers generally consider any internal rattling a sign of a defect, and it usually invalidates the bat's performance standards. Ultimately, that rattling noise is your bat telling you it is no longer performing optimally or safely. Understanding this internal wear and tear allows you to make an informed decision about when to retire your bat, ensuring you maintain both your game performance and your safety on the field.